ERIE, a JASA tech company, where technology meets convenience. Our initial strategy was to bring many different products to the market as we could to reach the many different market segments. We wanted to have quality products that were well marketed and well received. We also wanted to make sure to target a wide range of consumers in the process. Our strategy moving forward is to continue our success of reaching as many different consumers as possible. We will do this by not resting on past success, but by continuing to update existing products and move forward creating new hardware that will add to the success that we have already obtained. Our two low-tech products, ERIE and Elmo, have had much success in being able to have a combined 19% of the total low-tech market. Both products have seen change over the past 5 years to remain extremely competitive and reliable. We have two high-tech products, EST and ESTWN, that hold 60% of the high-tech market. Both these products have been able to sell well with our target market that desires the best and newest products. We're also introducing a new product that will mainly cater to the high-tech market, ENA, that has been promoted heavily and will perform favorably in the high-tech market and will even gain some of the low-tech market as well. Over the next 5 years, we'll be successful in building upon the success of all of our 5 previous products. However, we know that we must continue to develop new tech that will satisfy the needs of the future. We plan on making a new product every year that will meet the demands of the low-tech and high-tech market. With our proven track record of a new product promotion, we will be successful. Our various products have different market segments that we attempt to reach. Our low-tech products have a market segment demographic of men and women who just want something that is reliable and cost-effective. The high-tech demographic market of men and women wants the best and newest products to have the higher price tag and a social credibility factor. Currently, our automation is at 10. Every year we increase automation and capacity and plan on continuing to do so in the next 5 years. Our finances at this point are projected to be about $45.5 million. In the next 5 years, we expect our finances to increase and to have all profits with no outstanding loans, as well as increase in stock profits for our shareholders. As part of the ERIE commitment of making customers' lives simpler, we are actively involved in improving our products with the focus of making life simpler and more convenient for our customers. Josh is the head of the National Sales Division. Through the strong leadership, we have captured over 20% of the sensor market and have continued to increase the market share each year. Angel is the head of R&D Division. Through her exceptional skills and leadership, we've developed a very sophisticated line of sensors that have changed the way the world drives. And Sam Acuna, as the CFO, has shaped the entire company and the way we do business at ERIE. Because of Sam's exceptional leadership, we enjoy financial stability that is unprecedented and have been able to fully automate each of our 5 facilities. Alan Hess is the head of production. He has worked with the labor unions to establish fair wages and benefits for each employee. This effort has reduced lost time and led to an increase in employee production per sales. Develop and understand the company of its target consumers. Evaluate and reconfigure capacity and what inventory can be produced each and sold each year. Time is our most valuable resource. Communication can prevent or fix almost any problem. We won't always sell everything we produce, and that is okay. There's always next year. We have developed a proven process of master crafting both high and low tech sensors through the state-of-the-art automated equipment. This has reduced material waste and helped cut material costs by 12%, labor costs by 14%. We've increased our sales volume each year on average of $16.7 million with a 20% increase in return of sales. So our strong financial matrix are posted here with the ROS of 26.1, ROA of 34%, ROE of 47.5, PE 6.7, with the valuation being $306 million. We are forecast this year for the sales of $174 million, ROS of 26.1, ROA of 34%, assets turnover 1.3, ROE 47.5. Our profit $45.5 million. Our stock price is $116.38 with a market cap of $306 million. Thank you for your time.